Hey there everyone, welcome to Teknisha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot the top 5 items and others on a single chart. That is, in this table you have multiple items, but on the chart we'll plot only the top 5 items and a single column for the remaining items. So let's say if you change the TV stand from 450,000 to, let me put it, 2.45 million. So the chart automatically updates with the top 5 items, which now includes the TV stand and then the others. Let's see how to do this. Here is the annual sales of a furniture store. Let's say that you want to plot these items. So we could simply select all of them and insert a column chart. This would give all the items on the chart. This chart is informative but contains a lot of bars. It will be insightful to see the sales of top 5 items along with a single column for the remaining items. To do that, we'll need to prep our data. So let's first delete this chart and I'm going to add another column called rank. What we are going to do now is rank the sales. So there's a function in Excel called rank. Open the brackets and we need to provide it with the number. In this case we are going to select cell C5. What are references, which is going to be our column C5 to C14, and I'm going to fix it, and our order is going to be descending. And let me just copy this formula over. Using this function, we've just basically found the rank of all the sales. So our number one rank is going to be wardrobe, which is 2 million, followed by desk, and then the coffee table, and so on and so forth. Now all we need to do is to sort this data with the top 5 items and one more cell for the others. So let me come to column G and I'm going to put rank here again, and I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as we are looking for top 5 items. And then let me put product and annual sales as our column H and I headings. Since we have the rank already, all we need to do is to get the respective product and annual sales for each rank. This we can easily achieve using index match. So I'm going to put in the formula in cell H5 equal to index of the array, which is going to be our complete sales array from cell B4 to D14, and I'm going to fix that, comma, the row number is going to be match of the lookup value, which is going to be the rank. The array is going to be our rank array here, which is from cell D4 to D14. I'm going to fix that. And the match type we are looking for exact, so I'll put a 0, close that. And the column number, we're just going to take the first column in our array. I'm going to put 1 and just close our formula there. So it picks for rank 1, the corresponding product name is wardrobe. Let me just copy this formula down, and it picks the top 5 products in sorted order. Let's do the same thing for annual sales. It's going to be equal to index of the array, which is again going to be our complete data, and I'm going to fix it. The row number is going to be match of the lookup value, which is again going to be our cell G5, which is rank 1. The lookup array is going to be cell D4 to D14 in our data, which I'm going to fix, and the match type is exact. And in this case, since we are looking to get the respective sales value, this is going to be column 2. So I'm just going to put 2 out here. Let me get the dollar format, and I'm not going to plot the decimals there. And I'm just going to pull the formula down, and we'll get for the respective ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 what the product and the annual sales is. So we almost have most of our data, but now we are looking for the others. So all we need to do is manually type in others here, and the sales for others is going to be our total sales minus sales of the top 5 items. So just going to type in that formula, equal to sum of our total sales, which is sales of all products, minus sum of our sales for the top 5 items, and just close that bracket there. So we have sales of our top 5 items and sales for the remaining items. Now we just need to plot this. I'm just going to select the data, insert a chart here. Let's just add data labels. Since we are in the data labels, I can delete the axis values and the minor axis. There, we've now plotted our annual sales as the top 5 items and then the others. So let's say we change the wardrobe now from 2 million to 800,000. So notice the data here and the chart here. As soon as I press enter, the wardrobe is no more in our top 5, so the ranks get updated, and similarly the others get updated. Plotting numbers as top items and the remaining items can be a really insightful information in your dashboard. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.